Well, good afternoon. 12 years before, when I started OKX, at that time, Bitcoin is like a magic bean, gaming coin. But today, we can see Bitcoin ETF market cap is already bigger than the gold ETF. Ethereum and Solana chain has become the real infrastructure to decentralized applications. So the next era about finance is not just institutions holding your money. It's about you holding your money on-chain. If we look back the mobile industry, we can see there are closed system and open system. There are companies like a classic legend company, like Nokia, Motorola. They make the device themselves, they develop the operation system and the applications themselves. But when the new generation company, Apple, Android, this giant company disappeared in a couple of years. Today, if we look at TradFi, most of TradFi is a closed system. At the same time, you can see DeFi is an open system. The transaction is transparent. Everybody can develop a DApp. The definition about on-chain system is first, it must be transparent. Second, it should support everybody deploy a code. Third, it should not rely on single service provider. You can migrate your asset from one service provider to another provider. Number four, it should be globalized. I think in the near future, we will see more and more assets go to on-chain. Today, we have crypto, we see tokenized equities, there will be bond, real-world asset, and a payment. Everything will be on-chain. How far the on-chain finance from us? I can tell you the infrastructure is ready, it's coming. 12 years before, the Bitcoin chain can only deal with 7 transactions per minute. Today, we can see a lot of L1 chain can deal with 1,000 transactions per second. And there are a lot of L2 chains, which build the infrastructure over the Ethereum can deal with more than 10,000 transactions per second. There are successful basic blockchain assets. Bitcoin is a blockchain gold. Stablecoin is one of the most successful applications in the last 12 years. We also see most crypto companies learning how to work under the regulatory framework. Today, we can see globally more and more countries has a crypto regime. The United States created the Genius Act. European Union has the MiCA. And also Singapore MS is very proactive regulation. Why self-custody is the future? In humanity's 1,000 years of history, we work hard, we make money, we put the money at home, maybe on the bed if it's necessary. There is no agency hold our money. But today, there is a lot of agents. We have to choose what agent I can trust. I trust the agent first. I verify it later. If the agent bankrupt, then maybe we are lucky you have opportunity to recover your money. But in blockchain world, in self-custody technology, you can verify first. You can look at this DApp, what's their reserve, how many transactions they deal with, if it's a loan protocol, you can see what's their collateral rate. So you verify first, you trust later. The self-custody doesn't mean unsecurity or non-compliant. There will be a lot of on-chain monitoring technology. Make the crypto company can actually do better anti-money laundering than TradFi. But your crypto company, you can see the transaction in the whole blockchain. You can leverage big data and AI technology to anti-money laundering much better than TradFi. There are multi-sig, abstract account technology, make your wallet as safe as a bank account. This year, we developed a real-time on-chain detection system to prevent the hacker use our wallet. For this amazing on-chain finance, what we OKX, as a 12-year company, we build these infrastructures. First, the OKX centralized exchange. We are one of the most liquid exchange in the world. We get licensed in major jurisdictions such as United States, European Union, UAE, Singapore, Australia, and a lot of other jurisdictions. Our company always have the wallet first vision. We build the OKX Pay. It's a self-custody wallet with a compliance layer. We can help our user transfer money like send IM message. We build the X layer, which is a level 2 chain, deal with the OKX Pay transaction. We make our customer can transfer money from the globally under this peer-to-peer network. We also partner with a lot of industry companies to co-build this journey. So we set up OKX Vision Fund to sponsor the project team to deploy application on the X layer. So I believe the amazing on-chain finance era is not just belongs to OKX, it belongs to everybody. We can build this together with everybody. So the future of finance is not in your vault, it's in your wallet. It's a beautiful future. Thank you. Yeah. Thanks for your time.